Hi there, students. Riff-Raff. Okay, Riff-Raff is an uncountable noun, usually talking about plural things. Okay, so Riff-Raff, this is people with a bad reputation, with a bad name, of low social class. So I really do wish my children wouldn't associate with such riffraff. Yeah, when you're in school, keep away from riffraff like these people. Okay, so riffraff, disreputable, undesirable people, the rabble. They are scum, they're absolute riffraff. Yeah, it's a disapproving way of saying that you think people or group of people are not respectable. Yeah, somebody worthless, especially as a group. The people in that place are riffraff. Yeah, they're not trustworthy. Yeah, they're disreputable. And that's the idea of riffraff. People regarded as worthless, especially a collective group. Yeah, riffraff like that should not be associated with. Don't give your money to riffraff like that. They are the dregs of society. Yeah, they are absolute scum. Okay, they are the scum of the earth. They're absolute riffraff. They're not people that are worth talking to. Yeah, let's see. This person is riffraff. I wouldn't normally say this person is a riffraff. I would just use it uncountably. The sort of riffraff you find in a place like that, they're not good, honest, upright citizens. So, riffraff, you can spell it as one word, and you can also use a hyphen. So you can choose between, although I would go for one word. Now, origin. Actually, yeah, okay, origin, and then we'll do formality. So it comes from Old French, Riff-Raff, yeah, which means everybody, one and all, the whole group. And the words riff come from rifler, to scrape off, to tear off, and the verb rafler in French, to steal, to nick, yeah, to run off with. So I guess they scrape things and run off with them. Yeah, they don't even steal good things. It's interesting as well. In Spanish, they use the phrase riffraff, and that talks about an argument. So it's this phrase riff-raff from the French has gained various different meanings over time. Okay, so now I need to go back to formality. I think I would give it something like 4.5 in formality. Definitely use it in an informal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but I really wouldn't use it in a very formal piece of writing. Yeah, a rabble would be a good word, a good synonym perhaps. Dishonest people. Yeah, people that you don't want to associate with. They're disreputable people. They're trash. They're rubbish. Actually, that reminds me, you can also use this word riffraff to talk about physical rubbish on the street, but that's very unusual. To me, riffraff talks about a group of people. They're not honest, they're not upright, they're not reputable people. Okay, so riffraff. So I guess enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Riffraff, with or without a hyphen, and normally uncountable, so no A.